Noch einmal weiter, komm, machen wir noch. Broken.
Straight off the streets of Compton. Dedicated and by most suckers hated. But I got something I want you motherfuckers to know. I really don't give a fuck.
Niggas ain't shit in the 90s, I don't trust them. And bitches on my dick, but they ain't shit, so motherfuck them. Easy know what's up, cause easy really don't give a fuck. It don't concern me if it don't pertain to money or not. But then again, I talk to a few of my friends 9 times out of 10 by some ends or some skins. Cause I'm the type of nigga that got to have it like a rabbit. Rapping is my hustle, busting hoes, it's a habit. I stab it like a true, no good nigga should. I do it the way a down OG nigga would. And now niggas know Eric Wright.
Woo! Damn!
Easy motherfucking a real nigga. Born and raised in motherfucking Compton. This one's dedicated to you buster ass niggas. You know who you are. Smoke a fat ass joint to this, bitch.
I don't think I'm all this or that, but I'm all me. Original gangsta, E-A-Z-Y-E. Down from the jump, now I'm ending with the bizang. Still rolling in my 6-4 on them thizangs. Doing wicked shit, cause shit is wicked on the streets. And from what my eyes see, the wickedness will never cease. Bitches on my dick, can you know I'm running, y'all? So it's just slow your soul.
Damn!